Every time you look in the mirror and see your puffy face, you imagine how you'd look with a sharp jawline, prominent cheekbones, and a model-looking face. You tried everything. Guasha stones, ice rolling, face massages, face exercises, shitty supplements, and nothing seems to work. These are just quick fixes that give temporary results, if any results at all. You need to know the root causes of the problem and then fix each one of them. And the first root cause is there are many things which can cause inflammation in your body. Junk food is the first of them. It's high in sodium, high in carbs, and contains a ton of seed oils, all of which cause rapid inflammation in your body and make it hold on to water very quickly. And again, eating too much carbs causes massive water retention. And if you cook your food in seed oils, well, then you're fucking up your hormones and causing unnecessary inflammation. Oh, and don't get me started on alcohol. Not only does it cause inflammation, but it also dehydrates you. So you could say it causes bloating on top of the bloating, as if the bloating from the inflammation is not enough. I know your sleep is fucked up, and it is stressing your body and increasing your cortisol. Chronic high cortisol causes a puffy face, but there are 3 types of stresses you need to keep in mind: chemical stress, physical stress, and mental stress. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to avoid each one of them in the end. But for now, keep these 3 in mind and think about how we can avoid them. Try to find the answer yourself. Bad digestion and bad gut health are caused by a bad diet. The bacteria in your gut feeds on what you give it. If you give it shit, well, say goodbye to your gut health. But if you give it good food, it will thrive, and your gut will thank you. Oh, and by the way, a healthy gut improves your mood and happiness. Like, a lot. One of the things that cause bad digestion or bad gut health is pasteurized dairy. Things like pasteurized milk, yogurt, or cheese from the store. Another thing is gluten, found in wheat and most carbs. Eating vegetables slows down your digestion and the fiber in them is not digested. Instead, it ferments in your gut, causing bloating. And if you eat too much in one meal, it would be hard for your body to digest all of that food, and guess what happens? Bad digestion and bad gut health, resulting in a bloated face. To get rid of the inflammation in your body, you need to fix your diet. Step 1 is to stop eating junk food. And I know it tastes so good it's addictive, but it's worth the sacrifice. Step 2 is to eat more protein and animal fat and less carbs. Step 3 is to start cooking in butter instead of seed oils. That's if you decide to cook your food. The final step is to limit how much alcohol you drink. And I'd say, stop drinking entirely. You're better off without it. To fix the stress, you need to fix your sleep. Get high quality sleep at night in a cool room, not too cold, not too hot, and don't use your phone before you sleep. Get sun exposure in the morning and watch the sunrise and sunset. It will improve your circadian rhythm, giving you better sleep at night. Doing these 2 things alone will lower your cortisol by a ton. But there's more. Remember when I said, but there are 3 types of stresses you need to keep in mind: chemical stress, physical stress, and mental stress. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to avoid each one of them in the end. Well, here's how to avoid each one of them. For chemical stress, limit your exposure to chemicals. But how are you exposed to chemicals in the first place? It's everywhere around you. You just need to know how to look. You wash your clothes with detergents, right? You wash your dishes with dish soap, right? Do you use shampoo and conditioner? How about those skincare products on the shelf behind you? And what about the tap water you drink and shower with? That shirt made from polyester, and this plastic water bottle, and the list goes on and on. All these small things accumulate and eventually stress your body from the inside without you even noticing. The solution is simple. Find natural alternatives. Use a shower filter, get a stainless steel water bottle. Enough yapping, let's move on to the next thing. Just limit your physical activity if, and only if, you actually stress your body too much, which is a rare case, but I had to mention it. Don't use this as an excuse to not hit the gym or workout. Just don't be a bitch, bro. For mental stress, try to eliminate the reason why you're mentally stressed. I know, Easier said than done. But if you can, try and fix the problem that's causing your overthinking. Other things that would help are meditation, journaling, and relaxing more. Or just retard max, bro. Your gut needs bacteria. A lot of it. And there's no better way to give your gut the bacteria it needs than eating raw foods. Things like raw milk, raw dairy, raw meat, but raw foods have to be from a good source. But that's a topic for another video. For now, just don't cook your food to death and drink some raw milk, eat some raw yogurt, and you'll be good. For digestion, don't eat vegetables. Eat foods that are easy to digest and eat small meals. Don't get overwhelmed by all the small steps. All of this is just fixing your diet, sleep, and gut health. I wish I could just give you quick and easy tips that require no effort or sacrifice, but then I would be misleading you. Changing your lifestyle takes time and effort, but the result is worth it.